Hello guys, so today I'm going to do a third stack in Protostar. So guys, let's see how to do it. So guys, this is the source code in stack 2, that's been in level 2. So guys, we need to override modify to an arbitrary hexa value. This is the modified that we need to, this is the hexa value 0x0d 0a 0d 0a. So we need to set the environment variable. This is the variable called greeny using Python. So let's see how to do it. So guys, I'm going to do this stack 2. I'm going to type export, not export, go type export, and that variable greeny equal test, press enter. Now you can type env environment and grep command greeny, press enter. You can see it's showing greeny. So I'm going to use that now Python to this stack 2 export greeny and equal $sign Python -c print space. This is the what I need to show work and press enter. Okay, now give the same command env or grep and variable name. Okay, now I'm going to use the Python how to check this Python output in hexa value. So I'm going to use some hexa value using Python -z give print. I'm going to give some hexa value e xad and again xbe and xef. Okay, press enter. So now I'm going to put that char buffer 64. So now I'm going to put that 64a is and that address 0x0d 0a 0d and 0a into an environmental variable. So then when the vulnerable CApp reads it, CApp that code, read it and overflow the buffer into the modified variable. So let's see how to do it. I'm going to give that variable name equal perl space -e and you print a x64, keep a space dot and x0 a as x0d x0a x0d. Okay, now I'm going to press enter. Okay, I'm going to export that greeny again, and now I'm going to run stack 2. Let's see, you have correct modified the variable. So this is the message we need to get, you have correctly modified the variable. So guys, this is how to complete stack 2. So thank you watching this video guys. So please subscribe my channel, comment and share. So thank you guys.